Hello, my Math 3 scholars. In this video, we're going to be looking at the volume and surface area of spheres. So let's get that definition, first of all, of what a sphere is. So a sphere is the set of all points in space that are a given distance from the center. When you think of a sphere, you've probably been taught to think of the Earth. The Earth is shaped like a sphere. So we're going to define what the volume and the surface area would be for a sphere. Okay, so the volume of a sphere, that's the first one we're going to get. The volume of a sphere is V equals 4/3 pi r cubed. Okay, where r is the radius of the circle. So you've got your radius of your circle that they will give you, hopefully, or they'll give you the diameter and you'll be able to come up with it. And then the other one is the surface area of a sphere. Okay, we usually denote that with a capital S, capital A. You can see that right here. Okay, and the surface area of a sphere is equal to 4 pi r squared. And again, that is where r is the radius of your circle. So let's see how we would use these formulas to work a problem. So find the volume of the given sphere. And here, not sure if you can see that, but that's an 18. This is 18 inches that's given there for us. So if we're given that the radius, we can tell that that's going from the center to the side. So this is our radius. This is the r. We know that volume is defined as this. So V equals 4/3 pi r cubed. So we're going to fill in for our r. That's 4/3 pi, and then our r is 18. And that's cubed. So now it becomes a calculator problem. So we're going to get our calculator, and I'm going to put in 4/3 times pi times 18, and that's raised to the third power. Okay, we get 24,429.02. So our volume is 24,429.02, and again, it's inches cubed. Remember, anytime we're talking about volume, then we're talking about inches cubed, okay? All right, let's look at an example of surface area. So it says find the surface area of the given sphere. Now this time we're told the diameter of this sphere, which is 10 meters. So if I just want this portion right here, I'm going to have to divide that 10 in half. So this is going to be 5 meters, and that's what my radius is equal to. Okay, so my radius is 5 here. Okay, so if we look at surface area, we go back to this formula. Surface area is 4 pi r squared. 4 pi r squared. So we're going to fill in for that r. So this is 4 pi, and then we're going to put in 5 squared because we're filling in our radius of 5. Okay, now it becomes a calculator problem again. So we do 4 pi and then 5 squared. And we get 314.1, that's going to be 6. So our surface area is 314.16. Now this time, since we squared meters, it's meters squared. So that's different than volume. When you're talking about area, area is squared, but when you're talking about volume, volume is cubed. All right, guys, as always, if you have any questions, let me know.